brands always have a large market of segments. For a discerning customers, they know exactly what a authentic US Polo is versus a fake US Polo. But that problem is a perennial one. We are always cracking down on them. We have a completely separate team in legal who is looking at avenues wherever we can find. We try and track the source. We never blame retail because somebody is behind that. So we want to kind of.
Sometimes online also we get the second copy. So what?
Largely no. We are online suppliers ourselves. A lot of people come and register into online, but I have partnership with Mintra and they keep pulling them down. So they keep
How you
coming.
tackle them?
We pull them down, so we delist them. We delist them from the portals, we delist them from every other part of any marketplace for that matter. And more importantly, we have our own uspa.ac.in, our own website. So you must go there and shop for yourself. It's as authentic as it comes. So don't forget uspoloassociation.com. It's our website. You shop.
Okay, and this is the first shop in Goa, no?
No, it's our second store. In fact, third store. We just shut one store down. We got a store in Maldives, and this we supply to the best multi-brand stores in the country. We are part of Shop Stop. We are there everywhere. We are well distributed.